Alright, we got the freezer. There's a couple things I gotta do. I gotta move it. One, I'm gonna move it down this end, and I'm gonna take some wood platforms over to lift it up a little bit so it's just not straight up on the ground. Let's see how hard this is. Ah! That hurt the sunburn. Oh, this is light as. I thought it was going to be heavy as. Alright. This. We got it down there. It was a lot lighter than I expected. I did drop that rubber mat on my sunburn, which really hurt. But we'll tip it over and get it situated nicely. Before we start doing anything major, I'm actually going to put the cardboard back on to keep it just out of the sun until I get it sealed and covered and stuff. But for now, that is the first step. Alright, we just put it out, covered it back up with the box. I'm going to head to Mitre 10 and get some silicone so I can seal the inside and some liquid nails so then I can put some battens on the outside and cover it up. I'll probably go get maybe the wood tomorrow because I don't really know what wood I actually want to cover it up just yet. So for now I'll just get the silicone so I can seal the inside overnight tonight, put the wood on tomorrow and then fill it up tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. Peace. Look at that sunburn, Jesus Christ, that is crispy. Boom, just like that, we're back from Mitre 10. I got extension cord because right now there's not a power point right next to the freezer, so I've got this to run from a power point. Then I got two of these. These are, focus on this, they're waterproof for waterproof seal on any material, wet or dry. But what I really liked was it's UV resistant, so you know, if we leave the lid open, it will stay quite strong. And then I got two of these liquid nails for the outside to put some wood on the outside to make it look nice. But that will probably be like another day job. I'm going to set up a little shade out on top of it because while I'm working on it, I don't want to get more burnt. So I set up the shade, then I'm going to go through the process of applying this and making it all smooth and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna go set that up and then film because my camera might just like set on fire if I have it out in the sun too long. So let's go do that. Bit dark. Alright, we're gonna clear it out. Whoops. We're going to wipe it out so that way the silicone sticks well and doesn't come up while it's trying to set. But there's actually not that many gaps in it. There's like only two on the side here, and then around the corners. You know, I'll just pick you up. So there's only this gap here, then the ones around the base as well. These corners are actually just bended. Whoa, bended? Oh. The corners are just bent, so don't need to seal those. But I'll wipe it down, seal everything else. Damn, oh, it's so dark. Wipe it down. Oh, is that a bird? I think a bird just hit this thing. I'll wipe it down, seal everything else, and then we got to give it like 24 hours to dry and stuff. But I think it'll dry a lot quicker if I have this open. but we'll see. We'll just give everything a wipe down first. So I just recorded me cleaning all of that, and I didn't press record. But it's all wiped down now, so that's awesome. Alright, gonna cut the tops off these, chuck it in this, start sealing up stuff. Already giving it a good clean out. It's like the toughest lid ever. Oh, there we go. Get out of here, boy. Chuck one of these on so we can get a nice thin bead that I can smooth out with my thumb. Remember to take my ring off, put that in the gym. Alright, now that's in the gym. The annoying part with these is I'm left-handed, so let's... Alright. So, I need to do around the bottom. Just turn this down. Take this out. Forgot to put that in there with all the things. I don't know if you'll be able to see this because I am going to do it this direction, but you'll get the idea. Okay, it's not going well. Dude, what is happening to this shit? I like stop squeezing it and it just keeps coming out. Figured out why. That's okay. So, Dad said, a thumb bead, nice thick bead. I got like this top rim to do, this top one. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more seams and then I'm done, so not bad. Getting there. Alright, we sealed it up down in there. I'm going to let it sit. Oh, it's probably going to be really zoomed in. We'll let it sit overnight and see how it goes tomorrow. Hopefully fill it up tomorrow.